Hello friends, my name is Amit Singh and welcome to Khalsa vlogs. So today we are going to make a gangster knife with paper. So it looks like this and it contains a cover like this. You can see like this it works. So we will make it with glue, scissors, colors and 4 papers and tape and stapler. So let's start the video. So first we need a paper like this. Then we will fold it in half like this. Like this we will fold it in a half, equal both the sides. Then we will open it and fold it like this. You can see this like an aeroplane. From both the sides like this we will get. Then we will put this edge to the center. You can see like this it should be, and same with this side also. If simply we say, we have to make a plane fold, aeroplane fold. Then after doing from the both sides we will get result like this, and then we will fold this corner to the center. It is very good thing for the children to play. You can make it for your brother or sister, and if you are an adult you can make it for your child like this. Now we will fold like this. Now we will fold it in the half. So we will get a harder thing for knife. Then we will keep this at a side and take another paper and fold it in half like this. Okay, so let me fold. Tight fold. Then we will open it and keep it like a book. Then we will take this, our knife, and put it on the line. The knife's edge should be on this center line. Then we will take a mark here. So after marking, we will glue that area, the full area, this area which we marked, the upper side we have to glue, not here, only this side. So after gluing this area, we will take our knife, half knife, and we will keep it like a book and stick it here. So after pasting it like this, we will fold the paper. First we will fold it like a book on it, and it will not be right when you fold. You have to measure it again and you have to make it right. After doing this, we have to fold it like this. Only 4 folds, not too much. So 4 folds are complete. Now I will cut it from here. The extra part I will cut it and keep it, save it for later. So it is complete. Now we will glue it from here and here. So after pasting from here, we will get something like this. open from here. Now we will paste it from here also. So after gluing from here, we will get a plain sheet like this. So now we will keep it at a side, and we will take that waste paper. Now we will open it, close it, and fold it in half like this. So we will get a thing like this, and we will have to fold it again in half like this. Now we will open it from here, and again from here, and open it, and do the same process with the easy way. Yes. Now we will open it and fold it again in the half, and again in one more half. So we will fold it like this in a half. Then we will, don't open it, we will cut it from the line in the half. We will get two like this. Then we will fold it again in the half, and same with the next one also. So I have folded both like this. So we will take this knife, and we will keep one at a side. We will open one in the half and take measure. So we have to take this much only, like this. So same with this also, and we have to glue it here. So after pasting, we will get a result like this. So now we are going to make a cover for this area. So I have to tell you one thing, that you have to use only 3 papers, not 4. So let's make its cover. For this we need another sheet like this, and we'll keep it at a side, keep it here, and what we have to do is fold it from here, a thin fold, so after folding like this, we will get something like this. So we will keep it like this, fold it side that side, and we will keep it like this. Only this much area, not this area. You can see. And now we don't stick now in this point. So we will fold it like this. Again one fold, again and again. So one more fold. So this much is enough. This much fold is enough now. We will get something like this. Now we will fold it from upwards like this. Wait a second. So after folding, we have to fold it like this corner, upward corner, like this. Then we will cut, then we will fold it back like this. It was like this, and I will fold it like this with this line. So now I will cut this over piece that I have folded. And I have cutted this. Then I have folded this this corner like this. Like you can see. So we will get like this. Now we will fold it here like this. Like this. Now we'll cut the over part. And give a good shape to upwards. First we'll take it out. If we have a line here like this, we will cut it the over part of that. We'll insert it and check. Yeah, it is good. Looking good. You can give it a good shape. Wait a second. It is over too big, so I folded it like this. Then I will cut it like this, so I will get a good shape now. You can see. Now I will paste it. I will take it out. Then I will paste it here. This. So after pasting it like that, we will get an open thing like this. No worry about it. Then we will take our knife and like this only you have to insert, not like this. This pointed to there and this pointed to there. So we will insert it like this. You can see. Let us give a try and insert it wrong. What will happen? It will come like this. So let us put it correct. You can see I have made two. You can see. First I will take one for my brother, one for me. You can see. So if you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to Khalsa Vlogs and keep the subscribe button like this. So bye bye, meet you in the next video and like, share and subscribe. Bye.